Hi everyone, myself Parvahita, Assistant Professor of CSV Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. I am here to discuss a few topics about the subject Mobile Computing CS 8601. We are discussing here Unit 4, Mobile Transport and Application Layer. The topic discussed is Wireless Datagram Protocol, that is WDP. The objective of learning this topic is to be familiar about the concepts of Wireless Datagram Protocol WDP. First, let us learn about WDP, that is the Wireless Datagram Protocol. It operates on the top of many different bearer services capable of carrying data. At the TSAP, that is Transport Layer Service Access Point, the WDP offers a consistent datagram transport service independent and of the underlying bearer. So, to offer this consistent service, the adaptation needed in the transport layer can differ depending on the services of the bearer. So, if the bearer already offers the IP services, the UDP is used as WDP. So, UDP is User Datagram Protocol. It is used as the Wireless Datagram Protocol. So, WDP offers source and destination port numbers used for multiplexing and demultiplexing of data respectively. Now, let us see about the service primitives provided. So, the first primitive is td unit data.rec. To send a datagram, we use this primitive. Okay, so the parameters used here are destination address DA, destination port DP, source address SA, source port SP, and user data UD. So the next primitive is td unit data.ind, that is indicates the reception of data. So the parameters used here are destination address and port are only optional parameters. Okay, only those first two parameters are used here. Then next primitive is td error.ind. So it indicates the error. So the parameters used is an error code, that is EC, indicating the reason for the error to the higher layer. Now this is the diagram which represents the WDP service primitives. Okay, so TSAP is the transport layer service access point. So these primitives are, so td unit data.request or REQ is the first primitive we have seen. So the parameters used are DA, that is destination address, destination port, source address, source port, user data, and the error indication primitive, that is td error indication primitive has a parameter EC. Okay. Now let us see about WCMP, that is Wireless Control Message Protocol. It provides the error handling mechanisms for WDP, that is Wireless Datagram Protocol. So it contains the control messages like the Internet Control Message Protocol ICMP messages. WCMP can be used by the Wireless Datagram Protocol nodes and gateways to report the errors. So these WCMP messages are which with errors, what all the problems it is having is the destination may be unreachable, it may have the root port address that are unreachable, then the parameter problem, that is the errors in the packet header. If the message is too big, and reassembly, failure, echo, request or reply. So these are the questions which can be asked related to this topic. Thank you.